mondo mi obiogo ne gi ombule yiero mabiro maduong' mano madwe mar 8 ka beneno kanyo ka koro okao okang' mar wuoyo gi joga achiel kachiel ong'e pach jopiny mondo mi osundgi mondo mi gibigiriwe lwedo yiero no mabiro bende koro kayo machiegni nyakwaro Mgajwang'. Wadhi nyake kaunti ma Kisumu kama jodak makalo leni shauri moyo kwayo mondo jokanyo ti machiegni kodgi sama bende koro gichano weche mag udi makare. Giwacho ni kitgi mar dak ok yienegi bedo gi udi kaka joma moko igero negi chenro mar udi makare mitime kuonde dak mamoko e boma ma Kisumu. Achiel kachiel nyakwaro Mgajwang' wadhi nyaka ir Jailieta e kaunti no ma Kisumu e ka dak no makalo leni mondo mi olero mathoth kaluwore gi chenro machal kod mano. Jail.
Erokamano ahinya Lydia, mana kaka iwacho chenro mar bero udi e kuonde dak mopogore kaunti ma Kisumu osebed ka itimo. Kata kamano jodak makalo leni dwaro ni mondo okaw pachgi kaluwore koda kit dak ma bende gintiere godo mondo sami gero negi udi oger negi udi ma ginyalo dake kaluwore koda kaka chike gidwaro kata kaka yor dak margi nitiere. Kamano bende giwacho ni chenro kaka osebed kidaro jomoko mondo otim gedo mag udigi kik timnegi mak mana ni obed kodgi piny kendo okaw winjruok mondo ging'iyane kaka ibo ber estate ni mano mar Kaloleni. Antiere gi moko kuom jokanyo ma bende biro lero no mathoth machiegni kabisa. Ibo chakonwa gi nyingi.
Iluonga ni Lawrence Apio, atiyo gi migawo mok mar piny owacho miluongo ni Grassroots Trust. Wasebedo ka wachiwo sir ne jogo ma odak kuonde mongohore kata slums ma Kisumu City. Watiyo settlements par gadek koriwo kod Muhoroni. Ma watimo maduong' kuonde mongohore gi en tiyo kanyakla kendo chiwo tiegruok ne jogo modak kuondego mondo ober kuonde mag gidakie. To maeri en ting' mapek ma jogo ok nyal timo kendgi, ok nyal chopo kare ka owenegi giwegi kata ka gitimo giwegi. Nyaka nyuandie sirikal mamalo gi sirikal mapiny. To gigo duto ma gitimo kaachiel ema chwalo wae okang' machielo ma iloso godo chike ma koro ji nyalo luwo mondo ber godo kuonde mag gidake. Bende gigo magitimo ema chwalo wae okang' mar loso policies kata sera mag bero udi e Kenya kar kae. Koro e dala mar Kaloleni kar kae wasebedo ka wan kaka migawo mok mar sirikal mar county gi sirikal mamalo gi jok modak kar kae watiyo kanyakla. Jogo modak kar kaeri wan kaka Grassroots Trust wasebedo ka watiego gi e yo mar biro kanyakla magiloso housing cooperative. Housing cooperative nieri gitime solo mar pesnigi kendo wamiyogi e tiegruok mag okenge mopogore opogore mag gedo. Okenge gi eki gi dhongere waluongo ni participatory approaches mag chopo e okang' mar bedo gi ot makare. Bende gi dhongere wawacho ni adequate and affordable housing is a basic human right, yani en ratiro mar dhano mar dak kama owinjore.
Erokamano ahinya. Koro ka wadhi ir Fatuma, kaka uno jodak ma Kaloleni kae, ere kaka chenro mar udi manyien midwa gerni udwaro no timnu e yo mane?
Wasebedo an Fatuma Yusuf, jadak ma Kaloleni ka, to wasebedo gi chandruok mag ute. Emomiyo wadonje e group mar housing cooperative e Kaloleni ka, to wadwa mondo waber utewa wadak maber kaka jomoko, to mana kalure gi chikewa mag cooperative nikech wan jo Islam mang'eny e Kaloleni ka, to wadwaro dak kaka culture wa mar Muslims dwaro. To wasebedo ko wachoko pesa wa matin, wan gi cooperative wan gi bank wa cooperative, wan gi shares wa cooperative bank, to wadwa mondo wariwre gi serikal county government mondo wane kaka ginyalo konyowa kowa makre gi grassroots kaka jowa mapiny kae magisebedo ka gitayowa, to gikonyowa gi weche mang'eny mag ute ka mondo kata ka wachako gedo to waloso utewa kaka wang'eyo kendo kaka wadwaro, to gikonyowa gi weche moko ma wanyalo dwaro mbele kanyo.
Erokamano ahinya. Lydia, mana kaka iwinjo magi moko kuom jokanyo kendo jodak ma Kaloleni Estate kae ka bende giwacho ni okaw pachgi kendo oti kodgi kanyakla. Kaka iwinjo Fatuma kawacho ni gintiere koda riwruok kata housing cooperative e Kaloleni kae ma bende gidwaro ni mondo osir e gedo ma bende idhi tim ka bende jodak oyud thuolo mar bedo kata bedo gi udi moko ma bende ibiro ger. Erokamano kuom studio.
Erokamano ahinya Jalieta kuom report machal kamano kendo nyakoro Mugajwang Jal medo luonwa chenro no matimore kaunti no ma Kisumu kadak ma Kaloleni. Erokamano ahinya Jal. Kwadoge kaunti ni ma Nairobi nyakoro Mugajwang obila etesendo obila kanyama Kilimani ma Nairobi timo nonro e ot moro mano yude bunde 22 kod magina 565 wonodno Ken Lugwili ni elweto bila e kindeni kendo wadhi achiel kachiel nyaka ir George Bati mabende luwo wachno yo machiegni kata luwo wachno achiel kachiel mondo miyo nyiswa ni tang'adhi mbele kod sani George Bati kinyalo winjo nyiswa ni tang'adhi mbele nyaka sechegi. Nyakora Ramogi kanyo watudre kod George Bati kantiere gwenge gi ma Nairobi County ma Nairobi ka mondo nyiswa wachno maluore kod wach mani obila etesend mano obila mar Kilimani ma Nairobi timo nonro ewi ot moro mano yudie magina kata mana bunde 22 kod lisasi 565 kama koro wuonodno Ken Lugwili ni elweto obila e kindeni. George Bati luwo wachno machiegni kende thuolo machuok kende ang'wa tudre kod George wawinjie ni to ang'o ma oikonwa kod sani. George Bati kinyalo winjowa? Nyakora Ramogi mago kanyo gin pichni achiel kachiel koya kanyo mano koya etesendo bilano ma Kilimani kama itime nonro ewi wach kama no yudie bunde 22 ei ot more county ma Nairobi ka bende no yude kanyo lisasi 565 e ot moro. Mano en nyaranyisi ni nyalo bedo ni nitiere tie moko mag jore motudre kod wachno miyo obila oketo wang'gi kendo gintiere kanyo mana kaka ineno Nyakora Mugajwang wang' jowi mari mago gin pichni achiel kachiel koya kanyo ma bende itime nonro no kod obila ewi bang' kane giyudo bunde 22 gi lisasi 565 e ot more buore Nairobi ka kama bende koro gichich ni nyalo bedo ni nitiere wach moro. Kata kamano pono ni nitiere wach moro amora Nyakora Mugajwang waketo wang'wa mondo mi ang' wanyisi ni to ang'o ma dhi mbele kanyo mana kaka nyisi no jafwambo marwa mano kanyo George Bati ogoyo tach mondo mi ang' no nyiswa ni to ang'adhi mbele kaluwore kod nonro no mabende itimo gi obila Kilimani kanyo kama bende gintiere e od jago miluongo ni Ken Lugwili mano yuda bunde go elwete bunde maromo 22 kod lisasi 565 abene chich goni nyalo bedo nitiere wach moro miyo pono ni nitiere wach Nyakora Mugajwang ang' nwanyisi ni to en wach mane ahinya to ka obila ang' osetimo nonro ma onyiso ni to en wach mane motudre kod bedo ni Ken Lugwili ni nitiere kod weche kata mana bunde marom makwan gi romo 20 kod Nyakora Mugajwang watudre achiel kachiel kod George Bati e yor simu onyiswa ni tang'adhi mbele kod sani kaluwore gi nonro mitimo ei od Ken Lugwili kaluwore gi yuto mag bundego. George Bati.
Erokamano Lydia ayudi yo makare wantiere Kilimani police station kata tesendo bila ma Kilimani kama achich ma wachore no yud bunde maromo 22 kanyakla koda risasi maromo 556 kama ed ode kortere no kele Kilimani mondo mi dadhoge gi obila ma ochune nono weche mag maundu miluongo ni Anti-Terror Police Unit mondo mi ng'iane adieri kotenre goda weche ma wachore. Kata kamano kaluwore koda maling'ling maliekore en ni jali miluongo ni Ken Lugwili yangore ni nitiere koda leses kata obok mayiene mondo mi otim ohala makama. To ma en achiel kuom gik ma pod wamedo dondo iye etesendo bila ka mondo wayangane ni adiri diponi obok ma en godo kata ma iwachore ni nitiere gi oyangi kendo puodhi koso gin mago madiponi otedi gin weche ma pod watemo nono
mondo ng'adi machuok mosahinya yino mondo winje enta ng'adhi mbele kaluwore gi chenro mar nonro no.
It is purely a landlord tenant issue. Our client is a licensed firearm dealer. He has all the requisite licenses to conduct his businesses, and The issue is now under investigation. So once the investigations are complete, we are going to confirm that indeed he has done nothing wrong and is going to be vindicated. So the intervention of the police is just to confirm the validity of the licenses that we hold, and he is actually not even under arrest. He has actually brought himself to the station for confirmation, and that is a process that we are going to undertake now.
Where have they taken him? We have seen him leaving.
We don't have that information now. We're going to follow up with the investigating officers who are going now to inform us on the next course of action. So from there, we are in a position now to know and actually confirm that he has been taken to a particular place, because wherever he has been taken, it is his right for representation, and we have to be there as his advocates.
But he has left in the company of police officers.
He has left in the company of police officers.
What is accused of?
We do not know the accusations yet. So the issue is that the guns were just recovered from his premises, which is a licensed gun dealership, and they were brought here. So we have not actually been, he has not recorded any statement, he has not been interrogated, so there is no accusations leveled against him at this point.
Who recovered that gun? And do they have any court order?
We are also trying to verify from our end what was the status upon which they were able to break and enter that premises. So those are things we need to verify. Whether there is a court order, that is information that we do not know. We have not been served as his advocates with any court order to break into that premises. So that is something that we need to verify and find out what is the veracity and what was the status or under what authority they did enter into the premises.
Was he aware that he was being auctioned?
Yes.
I do not know whether they was aware, because actually that was not an auction, it was a break and enter. So I do not know, because an auction has not even been conducted. So the issue of the auction I cannot confirm.
But you can confirm that the weapons that were taken are in the custody of police?
Yes, they are in the custody of the police. That I can confirm.
But is this license valid or expired as a gun owner?
The license is valid.
It's valid.
License is valid. And it's not a gun owner, it's a gun dealership. Yes, gun dealership.
So how many guns and how many ammunition?
We are yet to verify, because we've not done an inventory yet. So we do not know how many guns. We cannot confirm as of now that they have recovered any number of guns. We are yet to do that. Once we conduct that inventory, we're in a position to confirm what the number of guns that they have, the number of guns that were recovered, and whether indeed there are any guns, foreign or that do not belong to him, that are there.
Okay,
so
lastly, we saw you stayed in the office for like 30 minutes. What was going on?
What was happening in the office was just a debriefing of the status of the relationship between the tenant and the landlord. So just briefing how did the issue of tenancy lead to the issue of the guns being recovered. That is all.
So
yes.
Now from the police, what are they now accusing of?
I have answered that question. They have not told us the accusations against our clients yet. We are still here to find out. As I've indicated, there is no statement that has been recorded. There is no cautionary statement that has been taken from him. So as of now, we do not even, they have not indicated that he's under arrest. So that is the position.
For clarity, Wakili, he came here, was he summoned or he brought himself over?
He brought himself over the issue. Once he learned that the office has been broken into, he brought himself here. So he actually presented himself to the DCIO, and that is a debriefing that we've had. And as of now we are going to know the next course of action.
Is your client well health-wise? Because he looks...
I cannot answer that. Cannot confirm. I cannot answer that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nyakoro mogo jong wadok nyaka ir George Bati onyiswa ni to ang'o moseneno kod wang'e kata mosewinjo nyaka no chak luwo chenro mar nonro madhi mbele kaluwore gi wach machal kod mano. George Bati.
Erokamano Lydia, mana kaka nawacho motelo ni achiji nono obiro kaluwore koda okil mare nobiro kende e stesen obila ni Makilimani mondo mi oyang bang' fwenyo nitiere jomoko manodonjo e apisi mare kama bende osebedo kotimo ohala mar weche mag bunde e boma ni ma Nairobi. Bang' timo mano gibedo e apisi mar obila mang'iyo weche mag timbe mag maundu kata DCI ma bade ma Kilimani ka kama bende bang' thuolo ma ogwarore matin to ogole gi nyamburko ka otene gi obila e nyamburko achiel no kendo giwuok ma kama otere kata mano okil mare wacho ni pod ok giyango malong'o, kata kamano okil wacho ni en jalo ma license mage kata lesen mage mag timo ohala ni gin gik mopuodhi kendo en lesen ma pod tiyo gi sani ma ok ni mano mandalo ne osekalo. Omiyo waketo wang'o mondo wang'iangane kuom gik mamedo dongore e wachni mar ng'eyo adieri matut. Ne watemo tudore gi obila mondo miyo yangro, to obila wacho ni pod gitimo nonro kende ahinya ma ok dang gigol weche moko maling'ling' madipo ka samoro omiyo giyudo thor mar wach kata gidonje kuku mar wach mabiro yanga adieri wachni. Okil mare wacho ni en jal manochiwore kende owuon bang' fwenyo ni nitiere jomoko manodonjo e apisi mare kama otimo ohala machal kamaendi, ka bende giwacho ni in ok ging'eyo kwan mag bunde maponono ni oyudi kendo okele tesero bilani ma Kilimani. Ma en wach mapod waketo wang'wa kendo waketo itwa nyakwara Ramogi ka wadwa ni mondo waluni kendo waketnigo kare mondo miyang'ni to ang'o gini mane nyalo bet ni nitiere. Wach ma okil mare owacho ni bura mobedo aput makani en ni achijni ok ondiko dhoge, to ne itemo mana ng'e adieri kind en ma en jalo ma odak e odni kata mopango odni kod jalo ma en wuon ot. Koro gin weche ma pod ler margi pok wayudo ahinya to waketo wang'wa mondo walugi kendo wayang adieri kotelo gi weche mag bunde moyudore e Kilimani, kar dak ma Kilimani bore Nairobi ka. Lydia.
Erokamano ya George Bati kuom ler mimiyowa e wi chenrono mar nonro madhi mbele kaluwore kod wachambe no yudi bunde 22 gi lisasi 565 e ot moro e Nairobi ka bende en nonro ma pod ni mbele nyakwara Ramogi Ajwang' wasingo luwe achiel kachiel mana kaka jojo wacho nogo tach kanyo mondo mi ang'o miwa ler kaluwore gi wach machal kod mano. Kowuok kanyo nyakwara Ramogi Ajwang' duol ma ochung' ne weche somo mag mbalariany CUE kata Commission for the University Education ong'onyo koke e wi obok mayande gi kwedo ma degree ma Johnson Sakaja kanonro koro dhi nyime. Duol mar CUE no omedo kwayo Sakaja obok mag manyiso ni nosomo mbalariany matima e piny Uganda. Kane chich ni Rick ne okopuodhi, Sakaja ok ne ochope nyim duol no tarik 20 kaka ne okwaye. Ofwam kich bende nyocha ochako nono obok Sakaja kaluwore kod okang' mane duol mar CUE okawo. Duol matayo yiere IBC nyocha osepuodho Sakaja mondo mi ochung' olar kom gavana ma Nairobi kod otikono mar UDA. Sakaja koro nigi fuong'ruok ka ogeno ni nonro biro puodhe mondo mi ochop lekne mar bedo gavana ma kaunti ma Nairobi. Nyakwara Ramogi Ajwang' erokamano kuom medo kete mana kae Ramogi TV ma en chenro mar Migago amedo keloni wechego manyien. Bende erokamano in isetudri kodwa ioro ote ni studio ka mago mo oro e weche laiwa mar ote machuok 2-6 nono kaluwore gi wechegi ma bende wakeloni. Nyiswa pach ni inti parango nyakwara Ramogi Ajwang' ka bende aneno koganda wantiere e mbui ka. Aneno ka Charles Mobutu wacho ni Ramogi TV chopo kare kendo weche manyien donjo kokalo gode gaore wacho ni mol nyaka kanyimach kono. Erokamano Charles Mobutu kuom kete mana ka. Bonventure wacho ni en ja kinyozi ma sidindi kendo neno maler kendo mor gi wechegi manyien. Owino Josephat Wuod Ligala bende wacho ni entiere Kayole Matopeni. Aneno kanyo ka Joel Derrick Omondi bende wacho ni entiere Awendo. En bende okete mana ka gi jicho mchangani mano mawacho ni ng'ano mochiwo thuolo ne jago no bedo gi bunde no te winjo tim nonro makare. Mano kanyo pach jicho mchanganyi mawacho ni jotim nonro malong'o ahinya to kaluwore ni jalno no nyalo bedo kod bunde marom kamano ei ode nyaka gi lisasi go. Nyakwara Ramogi Ajwang' med nyiso wapachi kaluwore gi wechegi bende wa medo keloni. Wabiro nyake kaunti ni ma Nairobi Nyakwara Ramogi Ajwang' kama jatend piny Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta otele nyasi mar chiwo obok malope matimre e karomo mar KICC e chuny boma ma Nairobi ka. Wadhi achiel kachiel mondo mi wawinjie gima jatend piny Kenya wacho kaluwore gi chenro makamano.
As part of my remarks, I stated that for far too long Kenyans have been talking about the land question, and what we needed was the land answer. To make matters worse, as of 2013, and 60 years after the Switon Plan was initiated, 67% of land in Kenya had still not been adjudicated and had no titles. I highlighted that people living on community land suffered disadvantages not suffered by those who are living on their own registered land, as they cannot unlock the commercial value of that land. Further, I did note how public bodies were hampered from providing services due to encroachment, grabbing, and uncertainty due to land holdings. I also observed that individuals living on untitled land could not develop the land because they knew in any instant they could be summarily evicted. That, ladies and gentlemen, was the land problem that I found on my desk as I began my tenure as president. And 9 years later, I can stand before you, having been honored by the high mandate that you bestowed upon me, with the land question having significantly been answered. We did this by firstly introducing the National Titling Program in the year 2013. And this program and the resources we have put behind it has enabled the processing and issuance of title deeds to our citizens. As part of this program, we established the National Titling Center, the Rapid Titling Initiative, land clinics, and formed links with both land buying companies as well as county governments. And these progressive measures were buttressed by enhanced recruitment of technical staff and the deployment of other critical resources, including motor vehicles and survey equipment, as Waziri here has just indicated. And 9 years later, the success achieved is really unbelievably remarkable. The program has made it possible to issue title deeds to once forgotten areas such as Samburu, Isiolo, Marsabit counties, to mention but a few. And indeed, I feel very honored to have been the first president who handed over a title deed to the first woman landowner in Marsabit. This is a feat that was unthinkable a decade ago, when it was culturally held that women could not hold a title in land. This program has brought hope where there was fear and despair. We have managed to heal wounds and resolve the phenomenon of protracted and acrimonious land disputes across the country. In places such as Kihiomwere in Muranga, Nyakenywa in Trans Nzoia, Mikanjuni in Kilifi, group ranches in Kajiado, Narok and Samburu, amongst others. And further, under the titling program, all beneficiaries living in the former colonial villages, such as in Nyandarua and Nyeri, have been issued with title deeds, bringing to a happy end a century-long tale of despair and destitution. But over and above this, another area that I have been extremely proud of is that we have secured our natural resources and heritage sites like the Mau Forests, the Nairobi National Park, our City Park, the Masai Mara Game Reserve, amongst others, through the issuance of title deeds. Nine years after we accepted the challenge, we have accomplished what seemed to many to be impossible. From 2013 to date, we have issued over 6 million title deeds, compared in similar number to those issued over the preceding 50 years since independence, and the 50 years prior to independence during the colonial government. To ensure that this important agenda was a success, the program had to tap and utilize the mobilization efforts of land buying companies in Nairobi, Nakuru, Trans Nzoia, Kilifi, Mombasa, Machakos, Kajiado, Laikipia counties to assist in the issuance of title deeds to shareholders. This has been through the collaboration with government in surveying, verification of ownership documents, and supporting alternative dispute resolution processes. Further, ladies and gentlemen, the government is also documenting land belonging to public institutions such as schools, hospitals, law courts, prisons, and for example, the Ministry of Lands and Physical Planning, working in the education sector, has delivered the titling of parcels of land belonging to 20,000 schools and the surveying of 32,000 public schools. In line also with our commitment to establish an efficient, transparent, and accountable land administration and management system, we developed and launched the National Land Information Management System in April of 2021. This is what is commonly referred to as Ardhi Sasa, which aims to facilitate the electronic transaction of land deals. In the past, all land matters were handled using a manual registry, which unfortunately made the Ministry of Lands and so on and so forth. Addressing the endemic fraud that had fraught the ministry was accelerated, and we have also increased efficiency and the speed of land processing, because you will recall that it once, not too many years ago, actually less than 4 years ago, it took a minimum of 6 months to complete a single land transaction. Today, this has been reduced to 48 hours using this system we have in place. Similarly, instead of taking between 1 and 3 months to conduct a land search, the system gives you a land search result in 3 to 5 minutes from the comfort of your home or office. But what I'm most proud about is the fact that all these systems have been developed by our very own young Kenyans who have shown that given an opportunity, they can participate in the transformation of our country, Kenya. I am aware that notwithstanding the promise of this new platform, land cartels today are regrouping again to slow the pace of reforms that we are undertaking. And in this context, and given the importance of land resource in the overall national development agenda, I do urge tanyinyi wale mtachagua, msichague watu ambao watatuweka gia ya reverse kuturudisha kule tumetoka. Tunataka wale ambao watasongesha hii agenda na kuhakikisha kwamba kila Mkenya ako na haki yake na mali yake, sio kuturudisha kwa enzi ya wizi na mambo mengine. Ladies and gentlemen, in 2016, I had the profound honor of assenting into law the Community Land Act, a progressive law that enabled local communities to legally register and own their communal lands. Previously, an estimated 3.5 million Kenyans had been unable to register their communal lands, lands that covered roughly 150,000 square miles or 67% of Kenya's landmass. Following this progressive legislation, we have been able to issue title deeds to group ranches in Laikipia, Samburu, Kajiado, West Pokot, and Taita Taveta, an endeavor that has uplifted over 500,000 people. To support devolved units and to decentralize land administration services, we have also, through the Ministry of Lands, gazetted additional 10 registries in Kajiado West, Kajiado South, Yata, Mtomo, Samburu, Malindi, Roiro, Tigania West, Marimanti, Kiritiri, to name but a few. This brings the total number of land registries across the country to a historic high of 67, meaning that in most of these areas, you no longer need to travel to Nairobi to conduct your business. We are further in the process of constructing an additional 10 registries to promote efficient delivery of services in Hola, Kitui, Mbere, Bomet, Olkalau, Naivasha, Nandi, Roiro, Laikipia, and Samburu. The construction of these new registries will go a long way in facilitating the decentralization of ministry services. So today, we are launching and flagging off the issuance of 1 million out of the 6 million title deeds that are ready across the registries in the various counties. And as we launch this National Title Deeds Issuance Program, today I do direct the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Lands, working together with her counterpart in the Ministry of Interior and Coordination of National Government, to draw by this Friday a program assigning various Cabinet Secretaries responsibility to travel to each part of the country together with county commissioners to issue the balance of the ready title deeds. The program, I expect to be executed expeditiously, and the balance of 1 million titles should be conveyed to their respective holders before sunset on the 8th of July this year. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we prepare to hand over the baton to the next administration, we must continue to pray and remain confident and work towards getting an administration that will build on the foundation for accelerated reforms in the land sector and scale up of the issuance of title deeds to individuals, communities, to companies, and to public institutions. So, ladies and gentlemen, nataka tufanye hii kazi kwa sababu tunajua kila mtu akipata haki yake, hiyo ni maendeleo na hiyo ni pesa kwa mfuko ya kila mtu. Wengi wanaweza kuendelea hapo, wataongea huko ya kwamba hii ni makaratasi tu, lakini jameni, nataka kusema kwa hiyo 1,000,000 tunaishu leo, hata ukichukua bei ya mwisho kabisa, tuseme ni shilingi 1,100 karatasi moja, ukienda kwa benki ile unaweza kukopa, kujenga ama kufanya mambo mengine. Ukichukua hiyo bei, ni kusema ya kwamba yale ambaye tumetenda leo ni kuachilia zaidi ya bilioni 100, 100 billion shillings kwa mikono ya wananchi. Na yale ambaye tumefanya kutoka 2013 mpaka wa leo, hata tukichukua hiyo bei, ni zaidi ya bilioni 600, 600 billion Kenya shilling. Na tunajua kuna titles zingine hapo ambazo hata ziko na bei juu zaidi. Kuna wengine hapo tumepatiwa title, ukiona mtu ameenda ni ya milioni 6, mtu amechukua loan ya milioni 5, milioni 2. Na hiyo ndio njia ya kujenga nchi. Kwa sababu sasa umesaidia mtu kuwa na kitu ambacho anaweza kukopa na kuinua hali yake, kujenga biashara yake, kukuza shamba yake, ukiwa huogopi ya kwamba kesho utakuja kunyang'anywa. Ama ni namna gani jameni? Ukiwa pia na haki ya kwamba hakuna mtu anaweza kuja arudi tena kukufukuza kwa shamba yako. Na hiyo ndio ya muhimu. Furaha yangu ni kuona kama hawa kina Nyakinywa wa Trans Nzoia, watu ambao wameishi huko hata mbele ya mzungu, lakini kila saa wanaambiwa rudini kwenu. Kwenu ni wapi? Kwenu ni hapo unaishi na uko na cheti yako ya kusema hii ni shamba yangu. Hakuna mtu anaweza kukufukuza. Unarudi wapi? Hapo ambapo upo ndipo kwako. Ama ni namna gani? Tuna wenzetu huko kutoka upande ya Samburu, kutoka upande ya Narok na Kajiado, ambao wanaambiwa hii area hii yote ni yenu, lakini hawana document yoyote ya kuwaonesha. Kesho unasikia mtu amechukua kitu, mtu amechukua fulani, mtu amechukua, inalete vita, inalete shida. Sasa kila mtu atakuwa na cheti chake kusema hapa ni kwangu na uwezi uguze kwangu. Kuna wale ambao wamezoea kuiba misitu, kwa sababu wanaenda, mtu anakata, mwishowe kwa sababu anajua hakuna mtu anafuatilia, unaona misitu yetu yote imeisha. Sasa ukijaribu kukata msitu, title deed itaonesha hii ni area ya msitu. Hawa vijana wameweka katika digital format. Hakuna title ambaye inaweza kuwa issued in gazetted forest land. Ndio tuweze kulinda misitu yetu. Kuna wengine wamezoea kuiba mali ya umma, anaenda anatembea. Kuna wengine na hawakuwa na kazi nyingine, kazi yao ilikuwa kuzunguka, wanaamka asubuhi kuzunguka Nairobi, kuzunguka Mombasa, kuangalia pahali ambapo hakuna mtu, na hii ni ya nani, na hii ni ya nani. Hiyo pia ni enzi zilizopita. Hakuna kitu kama hiyo inaweza kutendeka tena. Hata nyinyi mnaelewa yale ambayo yalikuwa yanaendelea. Sasa jameni, ni nyinyi mjue kila mtu akipata yake. Na hiyo tu ndio ombi langu. Shida ya title deed ni moja. Mzee akipata title deed, anaona hii ni mali yake, anasahau ako na jamii. Unajua lazima tuambiane ukweli. Sasa akipata hiyo, wakiongea hapo anasema mimi naenda kujenga nyumba, anaenda kukopa, lakini badala ya kujenga nyumba kwa bibi na watoto ambao wako nao, pesa ikiingia, akitoka benki, akipitia hapo mtaani kidogo, anakutwa na kengine hapo. Anasahau yule aliwacha nyumbani, mali inaisha, unawacha familia na watoto wakiwa maskini. Jameni, wazee tubadilike. Tujue ya kwamba hii cheti sio yako, ni yako na watoto wako, ni yako na bibi yako. Na yatakikana tuichunge na tuilinde, ndio watoto wa watoto wenu pia wawe na kitu ambacho watakuwa wanakukumbuka, kujua ya kwamba hii tuliwachiwa na baba. Lakini ikiwa sasa ni hiyo ya kwenda kutumia na mambo hayo mengine, na mdomo tamu, na unajua watu ya mdomo tamu siku hizi ni wengi, Sasa unaharibia familia yako. Kwa hivyo mimi nawaomba, let us treat this as a valuable document. Let us not treat these documents as individually owned. This document belongs to you and your family. And you must sit and plan together to see how you can utilize it to better you and your family's life. Ama ni namna gani wenzangu? Si ni namna hiyo? Na najua tukifanya hivyo, we will have a much greater, more prosperous nation where people are at peace with their neighbors. People are at peace with different communities, and Kenya is prosperous and at peace with itself. Kwa hayo machache na mengi, nasema Mungu awabariki. Mkirudi manyumbani, msalimie wale ambao mmewacha, na hata mimi nitajoin hiyo timu ya Farida. Hata mimi atanitengea, wewe taenda huko na huko. Hata mimi nitakuja kupeana zingine huko. Kwa hivyo najua bado tutaendelea kuonana. Mungu awabariki na Mungu awalinde. Asanteni sana.
Tupigie rais makofi tena. Thank you. It's my honor to request His Excellency to come down. I'll also request members of parliament, CECs who are here, governors, please come and join us so that when His Excellency is presenting, people from your county or region, you'll be able to join in celebration. Tukaeni tafadhali, tukaeni chini. I'll be going to call group by group, moja kwa moja. I'm going to start with Mombasa, an area called Shikaadabu. Mheshimiwa Mishimbogo, Mboko, tafadhali kuja. Join them. Kaka menjini. Wa kwanza ni Bakari Said. Wa pili ni Fatuma Yusuf Juma. Wa tatu ni Mohamed Barak Mwarumo. Afuatwe na Soro Mombo Mwavuche. Nafuatwe ni Swalehe Omar Mwachaki. Asante. Grupu ya pili ni kutoka Kwale Kinango. Mtu wa kwanza ni Vitalis. Afuatwe ni Luvande Nganyanga Mwijo. Afuatwe na Chiti Twenye Mwaluku. Afuatwe na William Mzonga Yawa. Pole pole mami. Hongera mama. Mungu akubariki. William. Afuatwe na Steven Gemu Mwangulu. Steven. Tunaenda pande ya Lamu. Title zimetoka kule Vumbe na Mpeketoni. I want to invite the governor, Lamu, the chairman of police commission, the CEC, captain, karibuni, viongozi wote. Asanti. Wa kwanza ni Abud Omar Ibrahim. Afuatwe na Ali Shebwana Bwana. Afuatwe ni Francis Njero from Peketoni. Afuatwe na Nuru Muhammad Maalim. Afuatwe na Scholastica Nambuki. Thank you, Excellency. The next group, in total, Lamu have 36,000 title deeds waiting. Wow. Taita Kishushe Criticos. I would like to ask Honorable Naomi Shaban. Naomi Shaban, she's behind. Ukaribie. Wa kwanza ni Lighton Magangia. Taveta. Yes. Lighton. Afuatwa na Steven Mwamela Mwanyama. Mary Saleka. Timotheo Kiwanda. Elia Babu Tokiti. Henry Zumbo Mugalu. Lelinga Peter. Victoria Nakio Natosa. Sebastian Mbiu. Your Excellency, we have 123,000 titles in Taita Taveta. Asante. Tuende Busia. Uko kunaitwa Samia. Niliona Mheshimiwa Mutua. Karibu. Aya, Frederick. Karibu. Afuatwa na Joseph Omolo Ochieno. Afuatwa na Clement Ombogo. Afuatwe na Francis Okechi. Afuatwe na Henry Wanyama. Kwa jumla tuna 87,000 title deeds to be issued in the next 3 weeks. Tuende Kitui, tuende Kisio na Kamongo. Mheshimiwa. Karibu wachea. Asanti. Wa kwanza ni Peter Wambua Siengo.
Thank you so much.
Peter Maluki Nzo. Cosmas Mwinzi. John Muasia. David Mulandi. Christine Mumbe Mwosio. Afuatwe na Nyamai Kasigale. Your Excellency, I waited for 50 years. 50 years, yes. Joseph Ngelo. Dorokas Nduku. Saira Sila. Joyce Kavindu. Kitongu Mulandi. Paul Mwemba. Stephen Mulwa Kamuti. The Excellency, in Kitui we have 358,000. 358,000 title deeds in Kitui County. We go to Nairobi. Esther, Nairobi there is a DG. Karibu, Saidi. Thank you. Esther Nduku, Sila, Asante. Moses Karaoke. Mary Nyambura. Jacqueline Wanjiko. Naomi Wanjiro. Dominic Gesimba. John Awor. John Awor ndio huyo. Alfred Omolo. Monica Modhoni, pole tu atafika. Lois Njeri Geshimo. Masi Wangeshi. David Dekei. David Macau. Gathigi Investment Company. Ni kampuni ya wazee. Sela Kavere. Paul Wamenju Ngodho. In Nairobi, we have 200,000 titles, Your Excellency. Twende Machakos. Wa kwanza ni Joseph Weti Makau. David Mutisia Chengu. Fidelis Nzomo afuate. Thomas Wilson Wawili. Your Excellency, in Machakos we have 340,000 title deeds. Makueni. Mwiya Mwatu. Scholastica Mongeli. Makueni have 250,000 title deeds. Meru, CC, Karibu. CC, Karibu, these are CC. Karibia rais hapa. Wa kwanza ni Gabriel Kobia. Joseph Mutegi. Kereme Peter. Muriuki Godfrey Muteti. Stephen Michaba. Gasheri Caroline. Sister Candy. Jeremiah. Joseph Mbiti Kiome. Leoland Machinga. In Maori County, we have 450,000 title deeds. Tharaka. Wa kwanza Nicholas Njero. Jobana. Francis. Jeremiah. Purity. Jeremy. Tharaka has 152,000 title deeds. Marsabit. Wa kwanza ni Grace Gano Sora. Erupe ni huyu. Asante, karibu. Rojonini Gibongoi. Mary Nandito Enjao. Luigina Lesuda. Price Erkemui. Boniface Jeremiah. Saloniki Loloju. Mama karibu. Makofi kwa mama. Na John Letimalo. Isiolo have 6,700 title deeds waiting to be collected. Kiambu tunaanza na Ting'ang'a. Yes, Ting'ang'a. Yeah. Viongozi wakaribie governor. Very well. Wa kwanza ni Ann Wangoi Njao. Esther Wairimo. Francis Karioki Kamendi. Join Moirore Kenobia. Joseph Dimba Gakuru. Judy Modhoni Njero. Lois Njeri Ndongo. Margaret Wangare Gashini. Nancy Modhoni Mwangi. Peter Dhuo Moroga. Wilfred Ngenjiri Wero. Our Roiro Q Block 6. Tunaendelea Kiambu. Next one. Nyandarua, Colonial Villages. We'll come back for the other one. Yes. Yeah. Colonial Villages. Governor Karibu. He has worked so hard, Your Excellency. Let's make sure this happens with the CEC. Dhuo Mwadhi Kenodia. Faith Nyambura Cairo from Alcalao. Samuel Maora Kibariki. Charity Njeri Geshoke. Stephen Gashige Denji. Tuwapigie makofi. In total, Laikipia has Nyandarua has 91,000 titles to be collected. Hongera. Laikipia. Laikipia, leaders of Laikipia, Mheshimiwa, karibu. She's here, yes. Wa kwanza ni Chege Dhuo Mwangi. George Gashagwa. Hannah Njeri Ndongo. Haron Karaoke. Haron. Joseph Washira. Simeon Lesian Ishembere. Lemisan Lepesi. Peter Lokini. Saikon Letumut. Mama pole pole tu. Wow, tupige rais makofi. Asante. Wa mwisho ni Consolata. Get somebody to help Mami hapo. She's a bit confused. Yeah, thank you. Tuende Nakuru, Giwa Farm. Viongozi, waziri. Okay. William Mbogwa. It's confused a bit. Bernard. Mary Modhoni. Inaitwa Giwa Farm. David Wawero. Mike Kongoge. Yeah. In Nakuru we have 230,000 titles waiting. Makofi. Kajiado Birikani. Zikai Sharara Sunte. Kajiado. Mbirikani. Kin ole Raparian. Isaiah Seneti Mwato. Join Oputo Luyana. Rilalei Ene Museka. Asante mama. David Lankoi. William King. Nimbapato Ole Selengagea. Solonka Ole Murua. Grace Siyonke. Pigia mama kwa kofi. Tembuka Ole Moko. Kiyunka Ole Musheti. Lesumbuka Ole Mte. Asanteni, Kajiado, we have 330,000 titles waiting. Narok. Mara. Kipigoti Ole Kinkene. Emily. Sisi ya karibia wa Narok. Karibia rais hapa. Kamia. Next to me. Yes. Usiogope. Haya. Kasaine. Mantaus Ole Kipila. Nixon. Godfrey Mutua Mburugu. This is Narok Town. Peter Sankali. Okay, wameshikana. Nalona. James Munene. Narok Town. Helen Kamamia. Namanyuk Onele. Cecilia Ngeru. Leonard. Catherine Soita. Nyuma kidogo. Catherine Soita. Gideon Salaton. This is Narok Town. Dennis Ngarewa Ntutu. Saningo Ole Rakua. That is Narok Town. We have a total of 105,000 title deeds in Narok. Hongera nyinyi wote. Samburu. Yes, yeah, okay. Rikisho. This is Samburu. Lengwi. Nyeria. One of the oldest receiving today. Yeah. Pigia mi mama makofi. Rafael. Richard. Samburu, we have 11,000 title deeds. That was Poro A. West Pokot, Orwa Ranch. Moses. Ngiromuk. Turu. Simon. Asante. That is West Pokot. We have 58,000 title deeds in West Pokot. Elgeyo Marakwet. Kochulwo. David Yato. West Pokot. Elgeyo Marakwet. Sorry. Benjamin. Jane. Samuel B. Ward. Elgeyo Marakwet, we have 57,600 title deeds. Baringo, Turquo, Kapseret, William, Wilson, Rono, Peter Raisi, Joseph Ntongoi, Duncan Cherotich. Duncan Cherotich. Thank you. In Baringo, we have 78,000 title deeds waiting. Kisi, Aroni Ochwati. Fred? Hata chairman yuko hapa, National Land Commission. Vincent Ongero. Then you give the representative. Samuel Okech. Mary Onsare. Jane Onsare. Are they co-wives? In total, we have 53,000 title deeds in Kisii. Kisumu. Mawithi. Step in. Alois. Johannes Osodo. Wilson Ayosi. Waliton Aliwa. Mesha Kokiri. John Okello. Charles Wamoya. Eric Olang. Rose Onyango. Aya, ametoka pahali panaitwa Nyando Mawithi B. Caleb Nunda. Kisumu, we have 241,000 titles to be issued. Siaya, Bondo. Joseph Awor. Alex Mwonda. William Ongala. William. Paul Ojuang. Kilion Ouma Odinga. In Siaya, we have 295,000 title deeds to be issued. Kilifi. Ivas Katana Matata. Kilifi basi mkuje. Aya, kwa watu wafanya karibia pande hii basi. Mishi karibia pande hii. Riziki Safari Chengo. Ndio. Mwandime Joseph Karisa. Samson Yeri Ya. Kilifi, we have 95,000 title deeds. Kiambu Ndeia, waziri, governor, CC, makofi kwa governor. CC na timu yake, well done, good job. Aya, Winnie Wambui Nguno. James Kenodia. Francis Moirore, Joroge. Patrick Karanja Moirore. Esther Mwehaki Kemani. Ni Mwehaku we. Hana Nduta. Karaoke Kerugo. James Wakaba Kagwe. In Kiambu, Excellence, we have 306,000 titles to be issued. Trans Nzoia Nyakenywa. Thank you, Governor. Trans Nzoia Nyakenywa, I want to invite Eugene, Kutuni, Natembea, the full team. This is, Your Excellency, a group that has really suffered for a long time. We're talking about 50 years history of a problem. Geoffrey Ndongo. Makofi kwa Ndongo. Dorcas Mokami. This Nyakenywa, Trans Nzoia. Ruth Wangare. Daniel Kingaru Waitimo. Narok Town, kuna watu walikuwa mwachwa nyuma kwa wamefika. Peter Kaimori Dhuo, Narok Town, wapi CC? Narok Town, CC Narok Town. Narok Town, CC. It worked out when you called in here. Samuel Kahoro Wawero. This is Narok Town. Kahoro. Narok Town. Pole tu. Usikimbie. Ni mzee. Ni kijana. Bas. Tupigia Rais makofi. Well done. You have just actually given 250 title deeds in a very short time. Thank you so much. Okay. Tusimame, we clap for His Excellency the President for a good job. Well done. I know. Asiende kwanza. Yes, yeah. National anthem kwanza.
Itisha foto kama itakuwa ni itisha.
Nakora mkoja mano kanyo jeten pin Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta kantiere kar bagro ma KICC e bwe Nairobi ka kama bende ne ntiere nyasi mar chiwo oboke go maglo bende ne title deeds ne oganda buora counties opogore ka county machalo ka Kitui oyudo kanyo title deeds maromo 350 ka Nairobi to yudo 200, Kajiado yudo 310, Narok yudo 100, Kisumu 241. Mana moko kuoma counties go bende koro oyudo joma e counties go yudo boke mopogore mago mag law mabende ne title deeds Nairobi no bende no yore gi jatend Migago mar law Farida Karo kachiel koda jotelo mamoko nyakoro Mugajonka bende winjo kanyo ka jatend piny Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta ojo piny Kenya mondo mi obiyo jotelo go bende nyalo dhi mbele gi tich makare mosebedo kotime pacho ka kuinso gene kik jotelo go mo bende ntiere kod weche go mag mibadhi nyakoro Mugajonka kata kamano komedo ketemana ka Ramogi TV ka bende kang'yo kacha bedo kodwa nyaka sechegi ka bende usebedo kuoro otemagu aneno kanyo ka paro pogore nya kod mago mag siasa kata kamano nikech saa yie na mnalo record sani nyinga Lydia Okeyo pod Ramogi TV ntere kod chenro kama oting'o mbak ndalo mabena na kacha Kalina Ramogi osekore makare kachiel gi DJ kolo kitemana ka Ramogi TV warom kendwa.
Dongi ng'e ni manyadier ema nomiyo adong' e ot kae.